If you want to see how I achieve this braid out, keep watching. And if you like it, like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and uploads. Alright, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I don't know what that is, but the first thing I do is part my hair where I want it to be once I style my hair. Next, I use the leave-in conditioner from the Curls collection and make sure I evenly distribute it throughout all of my hair by using the praying hands method, just to make sure every strand is coated. I like to take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and just go back over my hair to make sure there's no tangles or knots. After splitting my hair into 4 sections, I split the back into a smaller subsection to start my first braid. I like to do at least 4 braids in each section, which will give me a total of 16 braids once I'm finished. I go back through and I detangle just to make sure there's no knots. And for this, I will be using the Pearly Braid Out Glaze from the Main Choice. I don't mean to make that face, but it's super sticky, but it smells amazing. The key to a good braid out to me is to make sure that all your strands are close to even, and you don't want to take any hair from any of the other strands. That's going to cause frizz when you try to take down your hair. Obviously, I was struggling in the beginning to try to get my braid together, but I think I got it right. And then once I get to my ends, what I like to do is to add a little bit more product, and I'll twist my hair around my finger, and I'll do that all over my head. So I'm going to take my curl piece from Just For Me, which is a smoothing ponytail edge control, and just put that all on the front of my hair. My goal is not to make on fleek edges, it's just to keep my hair flat in the front, because I don't like to flat twist my hair because I feel like it causes more frizz, or maybe I just can't do it right. literally just said I was not trying to make any on fleek edges, and I don't know what I'm doing, so please don't mind me. Next, I like to put a bobby pin just to hold it into place and make sure the front part stays flat while I sleep at night.
Go for what you want. If you really want something, find out how you can get it. And don't let nobody stop you. What I can't stand is when someone tells me what they want to do, but they make excuses as to why they can't do it. If you're making excuses as to why you can't do something, then that means you never wanted to do it in the first place. Because I'm not going to stop you from pursuing your dreams. Only you can do that. If you can find a way to get some Beyonce tickets when she come into town, that same effort you put in to calling in or making sure you switch your days is the same effort you need to be putting in when you want to do something to reach your goals. When you really want to do something, you'll find a way. God, Lord, spirit angels, ancestors, spirit guides. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back. So, I just wanted to ask a favor. You know, I've been in here doing this braid out. Like, I know y'all been watching me, you know, protecting over me. Thank you, I appreciate that. But, I was wondering, tomorrow, when I take this out, like, can it come out right? Like, cause I did a lot of work, and if this braid out fails and I gotta put this in a puff, that's gonna be so disappointing. So I'm just asking if y'all can look out for me, like make sure it dries in the right spots, and you know, tomorrow when I wake up, then my hair can be like, in a like, alright, so thank you in advance, love you, amen.
Alright, so it's morning and I'm going to take out my braids. I do not put any oil on my hands, and the reason is because the braid out glaze is so sticky that if I put oil on top of it, it just makes my hair look really greasy and frizzy and a mess. So let's see how this turns out and if I really like it. So now I'm just going through and just splitting up any of the big chunkier pieces to try to give my hair more volume. I think this is kind of where I messed up at, because the more that I split it up, the more that I hated it. Yeah. Now I'm just going through with my pick, and I'm going to kind of add some volume to the roots. And I'm trying to make myself like this, but I'm really not feeling it. So this is my prayers didn't work face, and I'm really trying to can, but I can't. So it is what it is. Well, that was my braid out fail, but if you like my videos, like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time.